Chia seeds, the tiny seeds of the Salvia hispanica plant, are often referred to as a superfood due to their rich nutritional profile. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats beneficial for the heart. Chia seeds are also packed with fiber, protein, calcium, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Chia seeds offer numerous health benefits. Due to their high fiber content, they support digestive health and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may aid in weight management. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, promoting heart health. The protein in chia seeds contributes to muscle building and tissue repair, making them especially useful for athletes and active individuals. However, excessive consumption of chia seeds can cause digestive issues such as bloating or constipation, especially if not properly soaked or incorporated into liquids. People with low blood pressure or those on blood-thinning medications should also be cautious, as the high omega-3 content can affect blood clotting. In the kitchen, chia seeds are incredibly versatile. They can be added to smoothies, yogurts, oatmeal, or salads to boost nutritional value. They can also be used as a thickening agent in soups and sauces, or as an egg substitute in vegan recipes by soaking them in water to form a gel-like consistency. Chia puddings are a popular dessert that is easy to prepare and highly nutritious. Thus, chia seeds are an excellent addition to a healthy diet due to their nutritional benefits and wide range of culinary uses. However, it is important to consume them in moderation and be mindful of their effects on health.